Honesty is the best policy proverb. Meaning of the proverb: the phrase honesty is the best policy teaches that it is always better to tell truth rather than lying to escape an unwanted situation. Honesty is an attitude, a way of life wherein a person resolves to speak the truth and not involve in any kind of malignant activities whatsoever. On the other hand, there may be some persons who don't mind lying or forging to get momentary benefits. But one thing is very clear, that lying might get you certain benefits, but that would be only for a limited period of time. The relief is temporary and ultimately the truth has to be revealed. But with the time, it will get only more intense. Therefore, the proverb teaches us to stick to honesty and refrain from lying of any sort, however challenging the situation might be. Examples of the proverb: on the entrance of a multinational company, there was a poster on which it was written, "Honesty is the best policy." Mahatma Gandhi was trusted by millions only because he took honesty is the best policy as his way of life. Origin of the proverb: the phrase honesty is the best policy was first used by an English politician and entrepreneur, Sir Edwin Sandys. He was in the House of Commons several times between 1589 and 1626. He mentioned the phrase in the treatise that he composed on the religious state of Europe. The treatise was named Europe Speculum and was printed in 1605 with the name A Relation of the State of Religion in Europe. The book was again reprinted at The Hague in 1629. Since then, the proverb "honesty is the best policy" became immensely popular worldwide and is among the widely used proverbs of today. Expansion of the proverb: in the proverb "honesty is the best policy," honesty refers to not you just being truthful to yourself and others, but also be honest in your everyday conduct. That means if you are an employee working for someone, then you must also be honest towards your work. You should clean and stay away from forgery and corrupt practices as well. There is a reason why the proverb asks you to be honest, because if you don't, you will have to face more difficult and embarrassing situations later. A single you tell to escape a situation will force you to form a web of lies around you that will ultimately make you suffer one day. You will have to speak lies after lies to hide the previous lie. On the other hand, the truth will ultimately be out, leaving you nowhere to escape. Importance of the proverb: it is a very important proverb, for it saves us from some of the very serious troubles in our personal and professional life if only we follow what it says. If you be honest in your personal and professional life, you may face difficulties, but in the end, you will be happy and content. People, loved ones, friends and colleagues will trust you and confide in you. On the other hand, if you lie about something, there is this fear of truth getting revealed that accompanies you everywhere, even in your sleep. It is an intensely heavy feeling that you just want to get off your head, but sadly, you cannot. Moreover, the truth cannot be silenced forever, it can only get delayed. This time, when the truth comes out, you will lose the trust of everyone you know. Short story on honesty is the best policy. Once in India, there lived a king named Krishnadev Rai. His kingdom was very rich and everyone was wealthy and happy. One day, one of his courtiers suggested that they need an honest person to manage the royal treasury. There was a job of identifying an honest man in the large kingdom. How are they ever going to do it? One of the king's clever courtiers named Tenali Rama came out with the wise plan. He suggested that they leave a pot of gold in the dead of night at several places in the town and make announcement the next morning that anyone who returns the lost pot will be praised by the king himself. His idea was that a person who returns a pot of gold for just to be praised by the king would indeed have to be honest. The king agreed, and on his orders, soldiers left 5 pots with gold at different locations in the town during the night. The next day, announcements were made in the town, and king with his courtiers patiently waited for the honest man to return the pot. 4 of the 5 pots never returned, as the persons who got them were not honest enough to part with the fortune. Though a frail looking poor farmer walked into the king's court and returned the pot to the king was very happy with the honesty shown by the farmer, and he immediately appointed him as the treasury's manager. The poor farmer showed it to the world that indeed honesty is the best policy. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.